The researchers at the top firms use nearly 78 years of human speech to create their flagship transcription engine. That is almost 700,000 hours of audio. It handles thick accents and noisy coffee shops without breaking a sweat. It manages over 100 languages with zero extra training. Are you a creator? Maybe a researcher? The output is basically ready to publish immediately. It is the gold standard for precision. But it is not a speed demon. It thinks in batches. It takes its time to get things right. Then you have the tiny underdog that lives entirely on your local device. This tool is barely 50 megabytes in size. That is smaller than a typical smartphone app. It does not need the internet. It does not need a credit card. It does not need a cloud subscription. It runs on tiny cheap microcomputers or basic mobile phones. It offers total privacy by default. Nobody is listening to your data in a data center halfway across the world. You own the hardware. You own the results. However, you trade that privacy for some mistakes. It struggles when the room gets loud. It misses words more often than its heavy-duty rival. The gap in accuracy is real. It is significant. But here is the secret most people miss. These two are not actually competing for the same job. One is a librarian. The other is a sprinter. The sprinter reacts the millisecond you open your mouth. It is perfect for building a smart home system. It is great for a robot that needs to move right now. You cannot wait for a cloud server to process your request when you are trying to navigate a room. The librarian is for the history books. It is for the podcast and the interviews that need every comma in the right place. The most exciting part of this tech landscape is how people are combining them. They use the fast tool for the user interface. This makes the person feel heard immediately. Then they let the accurate tool sweep in later to fix the errors. It is a layered approach. You get the speed of local hardware. You get the intelligence of a massive data model. Stop looking for a single winner. Start looking at the specific problem you are trying to solve. Do you want a voice assistant that lives in your pocket? Do you want total independence from the cloud? You know which way to go. Do you have an hour of messy audio from a crowded conference? Does it need to be perfect? Your choice is clear. The debate is over once you realize they are teammates. This is the new standard for how we build voice tech. We are moving away from the idea that one piece of software has to do everything. We are building systems that use the right tool at the right moment. It is about efficiency and privacy, meeting raw power that is the real future of how we talk to our machines. It is about choosing the right gear for the right hike. One tool keeps you fast on your feet. The other ensures you never lose the details of the journey. Both are free. Both are open. The only real limit is how you decide to wire them together. It is an incredible time to be building with these tools. The trade-offs are finally becoming clear. Privacy and quality no longer have to be a trade-off. You just need to be strategic. Choose the right engine for the right task. The power is in your hands to build something that actually respects the user while providing world-class performance.